What's going on, everyone? Hopefully you can hear me. I did not mess this up again. I don't think so. I see the little bar moving. What's up, 12-hour streamer? What is up, Ooze? What is up, everyone who is here with me today? Guys, I did something I'm very proud of over the weekend that is not development related at all. I played The Last of Us. And don't worry if you are still playing it or if you are interested. I'm not gonna talk about it, right? You should just go play the game. Just go play the game. You should do it. It was a fun time. What's up, Shoku? How's it going, dude? I'm trying to remember where I left off at. I didn't stream Friday. My girlfriend was using the office room for a podcast that she was recording with some friends. So I don't remember exactly where I left off. I had a couple too many days away. What was that, like five days? Jeez, that was a long time to be away and still try to remember what I was doing. I know we were working on being able to favorite movies that didn't exist yet in the database. And I think we were in here. Let's see. We were in here trying to work on our movie poster to add the UI elements so that we could favorite things from the search results. So from a movie database search result. Let's see what we actually did. Because again, it's been a few days. I gotta catch myself up. Post MVP launch. This is a much more chill stream, guys. But also a very exciting time. Did you guys catch the Apple keynote today? The first day, today is the first day of WWDC, a remote week of WWDC news. We got new iOS version. We got a new Mac version. We got some new iPad OS stuff. It actually all looks very, very cool. I'm not gonna lie, it all looks very, very cool. I definitely am excited once they fully come out with the presumably ARM architecture MacBooks, right? Macs in general. Man, a Mac Pro with a new Apple Silicon is what they're branding it, with the new like chip architecture, could be very interesting. What does a non-Intel based Mac work, you know? Imagine it'll still be the powerhouse that they, have been, their claim to fame so far, right? But who knows? Who really knows? I don't. But I am interested. I do want to see. Britt Marie was here? Why is that a movie? Feel the Beat? Is this like an old? Oh no, this is a new movie. All these are relatively new movies. What is Feel the Beat? No, okay. Well, here's something. We broke something, which is great. Cannot read property? No. Cannot read property movie ID of no. No, that's in here. Movie data. Boom. Okay. That should be fixed. Maybe. Okay, that's fixed. Let's see if it'll actually import the movie and load it and everything. Yeah, so what we are trying to do, it's slowly coming back to me now. Sweet. Well, this movie still loads, everything like that loads. Not our notifications. And our movies, when we search for a movie, if we search for, yeah, sure, Star Wars, right? From here, from this screen, from the results screen, we're getting all of these entries are coming back from the movie database. And so what I want to do is I probably need to actually set up a new action here in the movie poster. So this is like a component all by itself. This component is getting really, really large and really, really janky, even more janky than normal. But our goal for this version, we're on version 1.1. We're working towards version 1.1 of MovieOtter. The goal is not to make it clean here yet. That is all coming with 1.2, in which I'll be doing a lot of refactoring of this stuff. before I open source it, so that you guys can dig in, check out code, maybe contribute your own stuff. But yeah, slowly but surely we're gonna get there. So yeah, oh yeah, Jason Phillips, we're prepping 1.1. Do you know any good organization apps? Like, what do you mean by organization? Like your items around the house, shopping lists, Twitch streamers. There's a lot of things that you can organize. Do you mean just like moving furniture around? But yeah, so I think what I actually want to do is make a new results action that we can pass in the case of when we are showing it as a result of a search or something like that. And from there, we would be able to do different actions than what we would do normally on like a movie page. Like in this view, this action would be very different from the one that we're gonna make. And I think that's gonna be the easiest way to get things going. I think. Could be wrong, but I think. Let's see. Like a planner. Ooh, dude. Well, yes, I do have I can tell you what I use at least. The app that I use is actually it's on iPad. I'm on Windows, so I'm not sure how this is actually gonna come up. Not Goodreads. What is it? Good Notes. There you go. I use Good Notes on iPad. It is a very, very wonderful app, actually. I use it as like for my bullet journaling and kind of just like like you said, organizational needs, right? Whether I'm writing down a shopping list or I'm trying to plan out whatever next features and things I'm going to work on, brainstorm ideas, come up with new ideas and do little doodles and sketches, right? All of this stuff is actually pretty good. I don't know if it is on anything else besides the iPad. Hopefully it is. But the only tablet I have is an iPad, so I guess technically I have a Kindle, but I don't even really use that thing. Oh look, they have it for iPhone. Yep, that is true. And then they also have it for the Mac on the Mac store. That's cool. I didn't know that part. That is actually very cool. But yes, I highly recommend this. They have like iCloud backup, so you don't have to worry about like losing something. It keeps all your files in sync between everything you use. I don't think it's for Windows. Not that I can see. It seems like it is Mac. It is an Apple ecosystem tool. I know that one thing I was using before I used this, the thing I was using for a while was Notion, and this is like cross-platform. I'm pretty sure this is on like everything under the sun, or maybe not. If we go to desktop apps, okay, yeah. So they have Notion for Mac and Windows. I have to imagine they have it for Android and iOS, and then even it looks like there's even like a web. Yeah, there's a little web clipper, and I imagine they have just like in browser that you can also pull up. Yeah, it has like a phenomenal user experience, right? I think that is one of the best things that people are always talking about it with. Is the user experience is really, really good for it. When I was using it, this is the problem where it kept logging me out because they don't do email password. They do like single sign-on thing where you put in your email and then they email you a link to sign in. And when you sign in, you're signed in with your like Google account. It was really weird. It was really, really weird. I wasn't the biggest fan of it, but it did work. It did what it said it was gonna do. So can't complain about that. Yeah. Hey, I'm ready for the show. Stream open on secondary PC while I code on my primary. Nice. Dual wielding it. I like it. Yeah. So cool. I think this is gonna be really simple. Sweet. Thanks. We'll try it out. Yeah, dude. Thanks for dropping that command in for the Discord. Can't forget we have that. You guys are more than welcome to go in there and do those things. Okay. Let me go back to movies. Let's go back to search results. Star Wars. Right? Okay. If we... Man, this file... This is gonna be so very, very bad. Why? What? Hold on. I want that. Give me the two of them over here. Okay. Trying to make room. Trying to make it a little bit nicer. Get a little bit more room over here. Because again, this file is, oh boy, this file's real bad. I apologize. But the thing I'm trying to do, right, is we have, this is why do we have this? If the movie did, oh yes, that's right, we're looking to see if it exists, if we've watched it, if it exists. If not, that is also fine. The movie database movie being null. Well, I guess if the movie database movie is null, then no one's favored it because it hasn't been imported, so we don't have to worry about that. What I'm trying to work out is just the logic needed to set up being able to favorite and watch later things that we haven't yet imported. But I know for a fact if we haven't imported it, then we don't have to worry about that too much. So these buttons, the favorite, oh man, I guess we could just look down here. So favoriting, that's gonna work exactly the same. Watching later, that's gonna work exactly the same. Logging a watch, that might be different. That might be different. Log watch, what does this function look like? So when we have a log watch, no, I guess this actually should work just fine. It should work exactly the same because we won't. Oh no, maybe we will have to make a function to log a watch as well for this particular action. Yeah. Okay. You know what? Let's just get started. We'll figure out what we're missing, what we need to do. We'll do all that stuff later. Oh, this is a big boy. This is a big crap. I hit the wrong button. It's a big chunky boy. This whole thing. Let's see. Okay. So our case is going to be search result, which means we also need to change up our action, which is defined up here. Result. Just letting you know that you can call me by my name if my username is a bit of a tongue twister. Dricus? Is it Dricus? That's a cool ass name, dude. Sorry, that's a cool name. I hope it's Dricus. Dude, that's an awesome name. That's it. If I'm pronouncing it right. Hopefully I am. I haven't added the counter to the UI yet. I'm honestly, I'm like this close to just buying the monthly subscription to Stream Deck, just because they're still pretty expensive to get a physical one. And honestly, I don't mind using like a software version or anything, especially since it to use it for like years or something like that for it to like be more costly of using the app versus the physical device. So I am that close, and when I do pull the trigger on that, I'm gonna set up some like UI stuff here so we can keep track of like how many names I got right and everything like that. Pretty excited. C Films, what's up, dude? How's it going? How am I? I am great. Okay, I had a very good weekend. I played a video game that I've been excited to play and waiting for it to come out. Ended up relaxing after that. I've been working out, guys. I went for a bike ride today. Holy crap! You know, outside is nice. Did you guys know that? It's insane. It is insane. I love my Stream Deck now. I use it for everything. Nice. Are you like someone who already was into the whole like macros thing, right? Like where you pretty Yeah, just like were you like already pretty much into the macro stuff? Because I know like, that's kind of like how it works just under the hood, right? It's just you hit a button and then it runs a macro and it can do a whole bunch of crazy stuff. Okay, the movie database. So if the source is the movie database, poster action is going to be a feb with all this stuff. Yep. Cool. Oh wait, I made a new function called like toggle favorite. I don't know if I need this anymore. I don't think I do. I don't think I do. Because of how we're... Oh, wait, no, we do. Yes, we do. And we need that because in there we need to actually do logic. I guess at that point. Hold on. Let's see. If we... How do we want to do this? I don't think we want this exactly. I think we want instead a function that is favorite the movie database movie. Hear me out. This is gonna look a little crazy for a bit. Toggle favorite, right? That's going back to the way it was, and that was fine. But down here in this one, this is gonna be toggle the movie, or favorite, sorry, not toggle. Favorite the movie database movie. Oh no, maybe I can't do it this way because then you wouldn't be able to unfavorite it from here. Or I would have to like add even more logic to like figuring out unfavoriting. So yeah, maybe I'll just do the logic here. Well, first let's see. If let's just pseudocode it out for a little bit, get it out of my brain and onto the page so that I can then focus on the other things. What part of MovieOtter are you working on today? Over the weekend, I cleaned under more of the code for C films. Over the weekend, I cleaned up so much more. Dude, yeah, I feel you on that. Today we are working on doing some UX improvements. Basically, I found that there are times where I'm searching for a movie, right? Like, I don't know, Wall-E, right? I love this movie. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. If I know the movie that I'm looking for, I'm just trying to find it and then do an action. And right now, what I have to do is, when I get here, I have to search for the movie. I see the movie here, right? There's some information about the movie right now, right here, but I still have to click into it, wait for the page to load, which I guess in the dev server, I never imported Wall-E yet. That's actually hard to believe, but I guess not. And then click this menu and then do the action, do the favorite, do the watch later, do the log, or whatever it is. Or Kaden, dude, nice. Get those gains, dude. I always love that. It's working out today, so I know how it feels, man. What I want to do is just clean out the remove the whole step of needing to click into the movie page in order to do something with the movie. So from this view, I want to have a little menu item here that maybe doesn't give you all the same menu items you would get later. Like maybe you can't recommend it, maybe you can't do this or that. But I would love to at least be able to set up like, oh, I can favorite a movie from here. I can add it to my watch later. Maybe recommend it, maybe log it, right? Those two things I'm iffy about. It could be more complicated on the back end. All of this is going to take some back end stuff. So just starting with favoriting, we'll see where we get from there. But yes, I think your individual movie page are still slow. Yeah. And that's honestly another thing. I think Jedi actually suggested a really good way around it is when we click into a movie, load and display the direct information from the movie database while we import it and load it and everything like that if it's our first time rendering the page. Which I really like that idea. I think that, along with just doing Gatsby builds that render out static movie pages, would be very, very helpful. Got a kid named Ash swinging by. What? Wait, Caden, are you a personal trainer? Is that what I'm hearing? Cause if, dude, hopefully my headphones don't. You know, I keep weights on deck. All right. Oh, just a bat. Ah, gotcha. Okay. Well, I feel silly now, but you better believe I still keep the weights by the desk. All right. I'm ready to pump up at a moment's notice. You're pronouncing it as every single American does. It's an Afrikaan, a language mainly used in Southern Africa, similar to the Dutch name, and I love the American pronunciation of it. If you want to hear the actual pronunciation, the English voice in Google Translate does a good job. All right, well, hey, I love learning, so let's do it. Let's take this. Let's learn for a second here, guys. Will it just? Nope. Okay. Translate. I can't spell. All right, hold on. Let's be able to hear this, guys. We gotta get it right. Dreekus. Oh my god, that sounds just different enough. So it's like Dreekus. And I was saying Drykus. Nice. Okay. Well, Dreekus, I will. Hopefully, I'm saying that well enough now. Thank you for correcting me. Thank you for telling me that. I had no idea. That's super dope. Well, yeah, that's what's up. Get those gains. Best cooldown after project. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Honestly, one thing, I have a friend who also streams, Quasi TV. He's another streamer. He's a game developer. He's doing stuff. Really awesome stuff. He used to have in his streams a stretch time, which is dedicated time where you just take a minute or two and you kind of do stretching. And you're supposed to stand up and do it with them and everything like that. And honestly, I have a standing desk now, so I don't need to necessarily stand up and stretch my legs as much and stuff. But that does mean I probably should be stretching my lower back and my arms and things like that a little bit more, if not just as much. So honestly, I might have to steal that from him and introduce a stretch time or a lift time, a pump up time or something, right? That could be all pretty cool. Ooh, Master Mendino. Am I saying it right? Master Mendio. I hope it's Mendio. Or it'll probably be Mendio. Or I'm putting the wrong emphasis somewhere wrong, right? Who knows? I used to practice Muay Thai a lot more often, and the work I got done after getting my butt kicked was always better. Just doing something after sitting weird for a long time is great. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. I feel that on a very special spiritual level, dude. Okay. So let's simplify things by getting rid of all the stuff that we don't need right now. So we can get up the pop-up modal, right? We're not going to use that. In the menu item, we can get rid of the reporting or re-importing. Sorry, we can get rid of that. Apparently this whole menu item we could get rid of. Recommend Tech with Alex T. Dude, that's a cool name. Thank you so much for the follow. Both you and Master Mendio, Mastermind.io. Dang it, I don't always do that. I need to just set a bot or a script or something that when something ends in IO, it just removes it so that I don't make a fool of myself. Oh, what was the one before? Oh man, it was a really bad one. Hold on. It was one. Somebody joined us, and it was. Oh man, I was like, oh, it's such and such and such, and they're like, dude, no, it's like if I was like, oh, it's fiery truque, and they were like, nah, it's just fire truck, and I was like, oh my god, I am such an idiot. How can I pronounce that wrong? Oh man. Oh, what's up, Donkey? I'm still saying Donkey because I know if I try to pronounce your name right, I'm just gonna get it wrong. Um, Thanks, dude. I'm glad you love it. I'm glad you're hanging out with us. I reckon Coach gives a workout. Ooh, dude, lift. I had my dad's. My dad was a landlord. He owned property, and as a child, I was his employee for better or for worse. um, and so it was very, very cool. Of course, very cool, right? It was super fun being adhering to the child labor laws of America. And so he would have me like always like carrying wood or cement or cutting grass and like all his properties. And it was really bad. It was a tough time. So C films, I feel you, man. I feel you. Ooh, Yagnaro? That's a cool name. I feel like the G or the N might be silent, so it's like Yagaro. I think it reads, or I'm gonna just be wrong, and it's like Y Egnaro or something like that, right? It'll of course be something there. Ooh, uptime. What mastermind? What is that? What is that command? I feel like I've seen it before, but I don't remember. I'm supposed to add it, but I don't remember what it is, so I can't. Yagnaro. All right, look at that. Sweet. I got it right, and I didn't even know it. How dope is that? How fantastic is that? It's pronounced like wait, hold on. What? Donkey, what are you doing with me? What are you doing to me? Okay. Synecdoche. Synecdoche. What? How? That doesn't help at all. What? What? That just does not help at all, Donkey. All right. You know, I'm reverting back to Donkey. I think Donkey's is a cool name and it's pronounceable, so I'm gonna go from there. Oh, okay. Yes. That does sound familiar as a command. But yeah, I think they just now have it kind of like in this corner or something like that, or maybe somewhere up there, over there. I don't know. It's somewhere. But yes, we only recently started. We're like 30 minutes in, give or take, right? Pretty good so far. Okay, so this, when you come in with results, we're gonna display this. One thing I actually want to do is maybe say if source is the movie database and the movie database movie, if we have this movie, then we will show this action. Else it'll just stay blank. I like that idea. I've been on for 45 minutes. Oh, okay. It didn't like the term douche, which, okay, fine. Okay, Synecdoche. Synecdoche? Is that right? Are you making me say something bad in like another language? Are you trying to fool me? Are you pulling one over my eyes, dude? Because if this is another language, I am in a very Synecdoche. Oh, okay. Wait, Synecdoche. I'm gonna go with that. Synecdoche. It's a movie as well. All right, hold on. Let's get Google in here. I'm learning so much today. Actually, I could probably just. Why am I typing in the phonetic spelling you gave me and not just the name you wrote? Synecdoche. Synecdoche. So I get like a sandwich. That's not right. Yep. Okay. I typed that right. I don't know what's gonna come up here. Maybe it is this one then. Okay, hold on. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. New You is the movie. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's hear this.
Synecdoche.
Oh, that is
Synecdoche.
Synecdoche. Okay. Okay. I can say that. I can say that. I will admit it's still not as good as Donkey. I think Donkey is just a more fun name, I'll be honest, right? But that is fair. Synecdoche. 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 Okay, cool. I've learned 2 names today. Well, and honestly, in like 5 minutes of each other too. I got Yagnaro. I got that right. Dave Codes. When did you get here, Dave? Hold on. Who's Dave Codes? And where'd you come from? Thank you so much for the follow. I totally missed that. Nice. I like it. You guys are coming in, teaching me the hot names. I know, Mastermind. We both failed, dude. Don't even worry. Don't even worry. We are both really bad on that part. Okay, let's see if we can get just our really bare basic bones thing here going now. Movie search results. Okay. The movies are gonna be that. The action can be result. Result? Is that right? Yeah. Okay. Cool. I like this. So far, so good. So from here, I can click this, and because this movie has already been imported, we see it here. But what I want to do is make it so that even if it's not imported, even if we haven't at all touched or clicked any of these movies, we have the ability to do that. So actually what I need to do is in our movie poster, I just added this logic. Where is that? Where here? This isn't what I want to do. I don't care if we have the movie database movie. I care that we have an ID. Okay, so far so good. All of these have the same menu. And from that menu, we can add to favorites. But if we click that, nothing will happen. Why won't anything happen? Hey, has it been a lot or did I miss some stream? No, I'm so bad. You haven't missed much at all. We're only, give or take, 30, I think somebody, C-Film says 45 minutes in. The stream is only 45 minutes in, so we are good. It's it's actually Dave Codes. I like it. All right. Don't tempt me. I will call you that. All right. I will call him that from now on if you tempt me. Always good to see you again. Thanks so much, dude. Same here. How's it been? How you been learning? I know you said a couple streams ago that you were learning some basics of programming, right? I think it was you who asked me for some resources, which, by the way, dude, we have a new, oh god, oh wait, is it resources? Yeah, it's resources. I was actually thinking about you when I made this command. I think it was you at least. I'm sorry if I'm mistaking you with someone else, but I decided to kind of partner and build on top of what Kid Queb had already started with a resources repo to quickly and easily link to people who are maybe looking to learn how to code. So I'm so bad. Hopefully, first of all, I don't want you to think that you're so bad now, but if you do, that is one easy way that you could probably learn how to be not so bad in learning to code. Cool. Okay. So now what I think I want to do is, oh, well, you know what? I actually think favorited. I actually think this is gonna work if we do the thing I said we can't do. If we get rid of this and make this toggle favorite, right? And then up here in this random function I made here, okay, cool. If we make this favorite the movie database movie, I know I've done this multiple times already, and I'm gonna hopefully not have to do it another couple times, but we'll see. Knowing me, it'll happen at least once more. Let's go down here. Let's paste this. So what we know is also what happens if I actually, you know what, we'll get to that in a second. Okay. None of these movies should be favorited, right? Because they don't exist. This is the only one that actually does exist, and it's not favorited because we didn't favorite it yet. That's correct. Let's see. I stopped because I had an exam the next 2 weeks, and I'm so motivated to learn again. Nice. You should, dude. You should. Add me to your resources, and I'll sub bribery. Oh, dude. Hey, I mean, hey, it's a public repo. If you think you are a great resource for people to reach out to, go ahead, put your name there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hydrate or dihydrate. Yep, that's good water. That is some. Speaking of good water, holy crap, guys. Do you guys remember the movie Waterboy? Do you guys remember the fantastic Adam Sandler's comedy Waterboy? Why is it one word? The Waterboy. Oh my god. First of all, this loaded way too quick. Someone else on MovieOtter has searched for this movie, and that makes me very proud. That makes me extremely proud. This movie is fantastic. It's a favorite, and I want to watch it later. So I'm just actually it was imported on the 12th. What was happening on the 12th? Somebody just imported it on the 12th. All right, cool. Someone's got really good taste. Someone has fantastic taste. Dude, Jedi Master Soda, what is up? Ooh. Oh man, you're throwing me for a loop here. Nixon? You know what? I think the last letters are to throw me off. I think the last letters are to throw me off. I'm gonna just go with Nixon. I think you might just go by Nixon. I'm gonna go with that. C Films, I've been importing a lot of movies. Will do. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. In fact, honestly, the president, yes, Nixon, the president, he has come back. Is he dead? He's definitely dead, right? Yeah, he's dead. There's only like four living past presidents, right? I'm so dumb when it comes to American history. There's only like 4 living past presidents, right? Obama, Bush, Clinton, Bush, Carter. Okay, no, okay, so there's more than 5. There's like 6 or 7. I don't know. I feel really bad. Guys, don't judge me. All right. I am a math and science kid, all right? I slept through history class, okay? Carter is the man. Wait, he was the one who was like there was like a whole a whole thing about him like helping rebuild like communities or something like recently, right? When he was just like frail old man who's like carrying a hammer or a piece of wood or lumber or something, right? I think I remember that. I think I remember seeing that. Is there a president named Carter? Aaron Carter, yes. The great US president Aaron Carter, right? He was my favorite president. I don't know about you guys. Okay. So what we need to do. Okay, we need to say. First of all, we need to say if source is the movie database. In fact, that is the only thing we need to care about. And that's only the guarantee that the movie is going to be right. Okay, you know what? Let's try this. If source equals the movie database, then we need to call our function, which we can copy paste from here. Let's see. Okay. We're gonna do some other stuff like to do set loading the animation for button, right? Whoa, what happened? Set loading animation for button. And then down here we'll say, you know, stop loading animation for button. You know, prompt Tomty, prompt. Guys, you know I can't spell. I'm not even gonna bother trying to. I literally installed this VS Code extension. God, what is it? Spell check? Code spell checker. Wait, why is it not installed? What? I'm pretty sure I installed this. Why are you not installed? No, this must not be the right one. Nope, this is definitely the right one. Why are you not installed? You should be installed. I think I had so many misspelled words that it was just yelling at me all the time, and so I might have uninstalled it. That kind of is believable. But I like purposefully installed a VS Code extension to correct my spell checking in code because I spell things so terribly. And everything's highlighted red. Yeah, exactly. Dude, it was really bad. I think honestly that's what happened. I wouldn't be surprised. Or maybe not prompt, but we share with user that movie was favorited because this won't be going through our hook. Else, if the source is not the movie database and it's a MovieOtter movie, then we could just say toggle favorite, toggle favorite. Right? Yeah, because our favorite movie is trying to take in the movie database movie, which would exist because this cloud function imports the movie, which would make it exist, and a whole bunch of other stuff. You know what? I wonder if this should probably be on Snapshot. Yeah, I think this should be on Snapshot then. Snap. Okay. Is that right? Is it gonna stop yelling at me? Is that totally right? Well, I guess it doesn't know what this is. If I make this query, will it be happy? Come on. Yeah, it's happy. Nice. Okay. I'm not totally messing up yet. I should just code in Google Docs. Oh my god. Dude. Honestly, kind of surprised Google hasn't entered the editor game. Like, I'm surprised that they just let Microsoft have that. I guess you could argue that they have. Do they own IntelliJ or do they just kind of work with them for Android Studio? Does anybody know that? Is IntelliJ a Google-owned company? Did they acquire IntelliJ? I don't think so. But yeah, Apple has Xcode and their whole, dev environment. Microsoft has a couple, but they also have Visual Studio Code, right? That is arguably one of the biggest editors in coding, as far as I can tell, as far as I know. Yeah, I'm honestly a little surprised that they haven't done anything. There's no Google Cloud Code or google.com/code that just brings up an editor. Oh, okay, which seems to be out of Prague. Well, that's probably not owned by Google then. They don't want people fighting that. Honestly, yeah, it wouldn't be. But like, I'm a little surprised. I am a little surprised. The movie database ID is actually just going to be our movie data. Oh wait, hold on. I did it wrong. Movie data, movie ID. I guess technically we do need to make sure that we have that we have movie ID before we can display anything in our fab here. Which I don't think I do that. So if the source is that and movie data, then we can display this. As long as we have like an ID, then we're good. We can do stuff. Okay, so we call this, we do things here. Where is that function? Here it is. Okay, we're gonna call and say that, hey, this user wants to favorite this movie. Make it work, make it happen. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little afraid. I am a little terrified. Could not parse the movie database ID from provided data. When do I, why, what? Why? Oh, that's because we could do the same thing here. There's probably a lot of instances where in movie data. No, why is it still doing that? Hold on. Wait, 157. Oh, that's because I just copy pasted this error, which is wrong. Let's see. No movie exists with external ID with the movie database ID provided. Sure. Then we should see a whole bunch of these errors come up, which is totally true. None of the, if out of the 20 movies displayed here, Wall-E should be the only one that's imported. So that's the only one that's actually coming back. The rest of these should all be blank. We should all be seeing this error. Cool, totally fine with that. No worries. Code.google, is that a thing? Well, okay, I guess. But, all right, I wasn't expecting that, to be very honest with you. It's kind of cool that they I guess again, I shouldn't be too concerned or too surprised. I guess they do have a lot of open source stuff and everything like that, but it's still not a code editor. That is what I'm most surprised by. Ooh, what is this movie? Have I seen the new guy? No. What is this? Contact the enrolled in a new school, but can you keep up the rules? It's got Zoe Deschanel. Zoe Deschanel. Why did I pronounce that weird? Oh, it's got DJ Quails. All right. Okay. Sure. You got me there. You pulled me in. I wasn't with it, and then I was with it. No, that sounds cool though. Okay. I am a little nervous to try this, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe we should start with something simple. Let's first try Wall-E. If I add this to favorites, it's gonna do stuff. Oh, I should have movie favorited. Okay, boom, and then as you see here, it shows up as movie favorited. Okay, that's cool. That's actually very cool. Now, can I unfavorite it? Which I should be able to. Hold on. First, let's totally check it. Let's go to our favorites. And we see Wall-E's here. Okay. So far, so good. Guys, this is actually very exciting. Wasn't expecting it to work at all right now. Okay. If we click this, it is favorited. That's cool. If we remove favorite, okay, it just favorites the movies again. That's not good. Why is it just favoriting the movie again? Where is our logic? Okay. It's because of this. The source is the movie database. And not the movie database movie. Okay, that should just run toggle. If I click it again on create fave, Cool. Okay. That's actually kind of surprising. I'm very excited that that worked so well, so quickly. Holy crap. Okay. I think we need to do. Let's make a state to make the little spinny wheel or something so that we can let people know that, hey, we're favoriting stuff. Let's see. We need a new state. We should probably do the state. Let's just do the state right above here. Const some stuff equals u state false. Favoriting movie. Favoriting the movie database movie. God, I can't wait to refactor this already. Set favoriting the movie database movie. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that you are going through this with me right here. Okay. We're gonna set this to true. And in the then. Actually, I guess this isn't a. This should be fine. Should be fine. Then down here, I'm gonna say that is equal to false. Oh, but then I wonder, there could be some weird race conditions that we run into doing it this way. And I'm not too concerned by, but maybe I should be. We will see. We'll see. They were working on an editor written for, oh yeah, their Fuchsia kernel. I totally forgot about Fuchsia. Which is funny because that's like the OS that's supposed to have like Flutter at its core, right? And I'm a big fan of Flutter. It was called Key? It's written in Rust, but development hasn't progressed in a while. Really? Google Key. Editor. Yeah, wow, okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's Zai? I guess it's Zai. Sorry. I don't know what I'm saying then. Built that aims to be fast, reliable, and beautiful. Well, I mean, sure. Yeah, when was the last time? This is 5 days ago. This is a commit 5 days ago. That's kind of impressive, actually, you know? Written in Rust. I hear Rust is supposed to be like really great, right? Like, isn't that what, you know, like a lot of people say that Rust is like the new C++? Let's see. Cortex on Met. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I mean, hey, this looks really cool. Thank you. Pronounce Zai. Oh, the Zai editor. I can't even read it here. I like how helpful the compiler was. That is one thing I've heard about it. Is that it, like when something goes wrong, they straight up tell you like what went wrong, which sounds pretty cool. Okay. So we're setting the favorite movie. Set favoriting the movie here. We have this, but we don't do anything with it. What we need to do is actually, let's see, where is this? We're gonna steal this for a second. It's already set up with icons and everything like that. So what we can do is say, are we favoriting the movie database movie? If yes, then we give you this. Else, we jump into this loop, which that feels very gross, I know, but believe me, it works. It's fine. Okay, well that's not gonna work anymore because this exists already. So let's clear this and let's just try to favorite walled in and see, do we get our little spinner here right over here? Okay, good news, we got the spinner. Bad news, it wasn't rotating. And it's too late now to do it, but we did favorite it, which is cool. Okay. Let's try the house with the clocks in the walls. The house with a clock in its walls. Sure. Yep, sure. Yeah, okay, we click it. It's adding it to favorites. Come on, you can do it. If I click away, what happens? Okay, I come back and it's favorited. So even that seems to work just fine. That is actually very surprising. I was not expecting that. That's so cool. Okay. Ooh. Carlos. Alfredo Dev. No, hold on. Carlos Alfaro Dev. Ooh, you almost caught me. You almost caught me slipping. Well, thank you, Carlos. Thank you so much for the follow, dude. Happy to have you here. What do you dev? I can only assume from your name that you are a developer. What have you been working on? What do you do? What's going on? Anything you can share? Okay, that's really good. That's really good, guys. This worked way easier than I expected. Holy crap. Okay. Don't get too excited. Still plenty of stuff to do. I feel like we might even want to do the same logic down here. So are we favoriting? We can say favoriting. That's not how you spell favoriting. That's okay. Favoriting. Is that right? Adding. How about adding to favorites? There we go. Ooh, that does remind me. If we're logged out, we'll try to do this, and that's not good. That's no bueno at all. So there's a couple things we need to import now. Well, first let's actually finish the logic that we had set up here. So we got that. We need to share that the user has favorited it, which we can look to our new notify system. Use snack bar. No, I have something. Oh, maybe this is just what I need to use. Hold on. NQ snack bar. Okay, we also NQ here. No, I didn't want to get rid of that. Okay. We could just copy that, paste that. Movie favorited. Variant success. And we can get rid of that. So now, good evening, Mr. Wallenberg. Oh man, this movie is one of my all-time favorites. I can't believe it's on here. Okay, cool, I'm gonna favorite it. We're adding the favorites. It gives you the little thing, and then the movie's favorite it, and we give you the little pop-up that it's done. Nice. Okay, that's a much better user experience. I like that. The other thing actually I want to do is we need to make the button not clickable while we're favoriting. Is it here? I think it's just here. We can make this disabled when we're favoriting the movie. Okay. All right, we got to add another movie to our favorites. Man, I'm gonna have so many movies I've never seen before in my favorites. Let's change it up. Let's change our search results. Maybe we'll do. Oh, I don't know. The Water Boy. That's a good movie. Okay, cool. Sure, this is the movie I want. Add it to favorites. I can't click it anymore because it's doing. And then eventually, boom, it's favorited. Everything else kicks back in. The UI re-renders, and it knows appropriately that not only is this movie imported already, but it is favorited. And I can even unfavorite it from here. And I can refavorite it, and I can unfavorite it. And I can refavorite it, and I can unfavorite it. Because it's now in our movie database. And once it's in our movie database, anything is in our power. We can do so many things. Cool. Guys, holy crap. That was like way easier than I thought it was gonna be. I was not expecting that at all. Cool. It's super cool. And what's even better is that adding a movie to our watch later list is gonna pretty much be the exact same process. We need to, make the back end function, right? That still handles all the same data. We pop it in, blah blah blah. But then once that's done, our UI is going to be just a matter of adding another entry here, making another like loading state, kind of going from there. And you know what? I'm gonna say let's do that. Let's get that working. Oh wait, no. Sorry, hold on. Before let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. We need to make sure that users who are not signed in. So if I log out and I come here and I want to do this, I try to add to favorites. We get an issue. I'm not authenticated. This is bad. This will never resolve. Users will never know what's going on, and it'll just be terrible. So instead, let's do use off. We already have a use off thing here. Where is use off? Use off. Nope, wrong page. Use off. Okay, current user, and then we have open login modal. And what we want to do is probably hoist this up a little bit. Again, this whole function is oof. It's meaty. It is a meaty boy. Oh god, I'm just breaking things, breaking everything. Okay. Let's hoist that up. No. Cut. Paste. There we go. Okay. The first thing we're gonna want to do here is if not current user, return open login modal. Okay. So now try to add the favorites. I'm not logged in. It'll prompt you to log in. Whatever you do, whenever you finish, it'll refresh the page. You can come back here and then you should be good to go. Okay. Step one. That was also easier. Man, this is so cool. I'm glad that all the previous work I've done, it's crazy. It's almost as if like if you make things composable and piecemeal functions here and there, and then you can just use in React, which is built on this whole composability thing, you can then pull parts from different places, make something that works very easily. Who would have thought that was the case? Man, it's crazy. It's almost as if this is the goal. Okay, cool. Well, we can get rid of this. We no longer need to jankily favorite movies. We can just do that for realsies on our own. How great is that? That's so cool. Ooh. You know what's great? We could do the same thing with our popular movies. This Brit Marie was here, right? I've never seen that movie before. Have never clicked on it or anything like that. But if we go to our popular movies and popular movies results, why is this? Oh, it's because this is a list. And lists don't quite work the same way. Okay, well, maybe we can't do movies. Maybe we can't do our popular movies just yet, but we're really close to doing that. Realizing you made a good extraction is so satisfying. I know, dude. I know. It's like, thanks past me. I'm so happy that I took a second to think about this. Okay. All right, let's see if we can get adding a movie to watch later done in the next half an hour before our cooldown starts. Okay? I think we can do it. I am fairly confident, fairly confident. Ooh, Untitled Spider-Man sequel. Well, now I'm interested. It's supposed to come out. All right, well, we know Tom Holland is in it, and we know that Zendaya's in it, and it's supposed to come out November of next year. Huh. All right. I mean, hey, I can get with that. That sounds cool. Cool. Let's actually, you know what? We should probably make a commit. So we did a lot of good stuff so far. Let's see. This is a feature. Users can favorite movies from search results. Search results. Results. There we go. There we go. Yes. Yes. Okay. Not a real Spider-Man 3 if there's no emo Peter. More excited about Dude, is there word about the new, not Siri, get out of here. Is there word about the new next Spider-Verse movie? What? When was this announced? What? I love a sequel to Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. It was announced like a month ago? Really? I had no idea. Holy crap. Dude, that looks cool. That looks so cool. I can't wait. Yep, I'm excited. Okay, yep. This is gonna be, man, 2022. You know, I know it's a little early to say it, especially after the hellstorm we're going through right now at 2020. But if this is coming out in 2022, I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful. Didn't know how you didn't. Honestly, recently leading up to the release of The Last of Us, I have pretty much tried to be off of most social medias. I go on like Reddit a little bit here and there, right? But Twitter, I was not trying to be on because there was leaks and all this stuff about the game, and I was like, if I see something, I'm gonna be upset. I don't need that right now. Let's just move on from it. So I didn't look up too much stuff there. So yeah, no, that just totally blew by me. That's super dope though. Okay. Man. Okay, in our serverless functions and our favorites, you know what? I think we can copy paste this. I think we can copy paste it. I think we can copy paste this. Yeah. Holy crap. Okay. Let's copy this whole thing. We'll go to our watch laters. Let's paste this function and then just change all the things referencing favorite to watch later. How does that sound? Let's also import these nice beautiful code snippets we made before. Watch later movie. It's a dumb ugly name, but hey, that's fine. The movie ID, the blah blah blah, you know, that's gonna be the same. We're gonna get the movie by the ID. Yep, that's gonna be the same. If it doesn't exist and we try to import it, yep, that's gonna be the same. We could probably get rid of our console logs as well. I'll do that when I'm going through for the final code review. Cool. We await that. We get the movie by that. Movie to watch later. Change this logic up. You know what's funny? This whole function, this whole copy pasted thing probably should be refactored out into a new function that's just like get movie. Don't care if you gotta import it. Don't care if it's from the movie database or from, you know, MovieOtter or what. That this could be refactored. We'll let me make a to do before I forget. To do refactor get movie logic into shareable function. Okay, cool. That's good. And then this is the only part I think we have to change. Oh man. I think it's this. Watch later movie. Document path for that. Copy, paste. And that is that it? Is that really it? A user ID, the movie data, and then the sense. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Heck yeah. Okay. Is that can't be this easy. Hold on. Something's really fishy if it's really this easy. I mean, I'm gonna deploy it and we'll see. Man, I'm gonna be surprised. Okay, cd serverless npm run deploy dev. I just lost the game. Oh no, Yagnaro, why? Why'd you do that? I hate you. You made me lose. You made me lose the game. You son of a bitch. Sorry. I hate you. You made me do it and you made me swear on stream. I try not to. He said something about a game, so it popped in my head. That's fair. That's fair. I brought this upon myself. I can't be mad. Dude, Cerebro, have you did you get the game? Have you started it? Have you played it at all? Every time I hear "you fool," I think of the one character from, like, what is it? I think Courage the Cowardly Dog. He's like, oh, something. I think I talked about this before, actually, on stream. It was Courage the Cowardly Dog. That was it. That was it. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Wait, why couldn't this be deployed? Why couldn't this be deployed? Well, either way, I gotta rerun it. So why aren't you just finish so I can rerun you? I need you to work. I need you to be better. I will not purchase it until I finish Tomb Raider. Oh yeah, that's right. No Temptations not completed. That's fair. That's fair. Honestly, not starting a new game when you're in the middle of an old game, it's kind of smart. I would get through way more games if I kept myself to that rule. Oh man, that's why I'm always really bad at finishing games. You know what game I'm not bad at finishing though? Rocket League. I'm very much looking forward to. Man, this is eating away at our time. I'm gonna have to work really quick on the on the front end side of things. Granted, a lot of that is also gonna be just copy and pasting what we did for the movie stuff, the favoriting stuff. Okay. So it failed because of that. Let's just try again. Hopefully it works this time. If it doesn't, I don't know why. Okay. So far so good. It's connecting to everything. Oh, nope, that should be fine too. Hold on. Let me not get ahead of myself. Cuz I renamed the function here. Yep, okay. So, what do we think? What do we think? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna behave? Is it gonna do? Is the computer gonna do what I told the computer to do? I bought Animal Crossing. I can never play another game again. Oof, that sounds about right. That sounds about right. My girlfriend got that game and she was on the guide for it at work. She got so sucked in. Oh man, it was nuts. It was crazy. And even that, she bought the game. She got the special edition Switch for it and everything. Oh man, it was so it was incredible seeing someone so into that game. Oh my god. Ooh. Ethan Moffat? 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 No, I don't like that. Ethan Moffat. Ethan Moffat? Man, why are you guys giving me such hard names? No, I need to get it right. Oh, okay, Ethan. Well, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I'm sorry I let you down. It's always an experience to actually watch a cult before. Oh, I got it right. Nice. Okay. Well, hey, you see that? I got it right. I got it right. That would be if I had the thing here, I would hit the button and my counter would go up. I'm getting all the names right today. Gotti? How would you pronounce? I would say that's Gotti. I mean, hey, it doesn't matter. He said I got it right, okay? It's goatee. Not the first time, but in the other attempts. Shh, you don't need to say that, all right? You can just stop it. I got it right. Bobby Flo. Okay, that's a cool name. Moffat. Okay, all right. Moffat, I got Moffat. I did say that. I said that at one point or another. What is this? Oh. The fish? Okay. What? Well, what? Hold on. Hold on. I need some robot to say this. Can Terminal do it? Can say? No, there's no say command. What? Translate. Translate. God, I don't believe you. There's translator Gotti. Why? Why? Google Translate. Just give me that. I just want to type something in. Okay. I hate you so much. Okay. Gotti. It's here. It's here. Pausing this movie.
Goldie.
Okay. Okay, so I'm not crazy. It's you guys that are crazy. Because that does not spell fish. There is I don't understand. Oh, okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. That got it. Oh. Yep. Yep. And the O in women makes a short I sound. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, thank you. Yes, we are trying to build it here. Bobby Flo. I think I did say thanks for the follow, but I'll say it again because a name like Bobby Flo, much like Bobby Boucher, needs to be recognized. Okay. It just caught. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all being used in a sentence. Oh, that's so terrible. That is so bad. I'm never gonna be able to forget that. Oh, okay, okay. That's okay. You know what? We're doing fine. All right, everything is fine here. There's no issues whatsoever. Okay, we copy paste this. God, if you thought favoriting was bad and not a real word, can't wait to show you guys. Oh crap, I did too many. Can't wait to show you guys what I have to call the next one. Watch latering. Why'd you guys give me the power? Why did you guys give me the power to type on this stupid computer? Oh god. Yep. This is all you guys' fault. You guys are here, you're humoring me. It's all on you, and I don't feel bad. Movie watched latered. Yep. Watch later movie. Yep. You guys did this on your own. Movie. Um. Oh man. Bookmarked. I don't even know. I can't use that in actual UI. Watch later does not. That's not English. It's not good English, at least. Yeah. Yeah. Watch. Oh man. Watch later error. Oh god. Everything about this just feels so wrong. Toggle watch later. Oh, feels so gross. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Um So down here we have toggle watch later. That's not going to change. We are actually though. I do need to copy this button. I do need to steal this button. We're going to steal it and we're going to make it better. We're going to improve it. Down here in this list, movie item. We're going to paste this one here. Watch later. Oh God. Okay. All right. It gets better. It gets better. Oh man. Okay. And then we have to say watch latering. This is so stupid. I can't get over it. Oh. Oh my god. No, it's creative. Oh man. Oh god. Oh snap. We got Dr. Jones coming in with a 2-month subscription. Look at that. Oh, you know what? This one goes out to you, Dr. Jones. This whole grammatical tapestry that I'm weaving right now. Weaving right now. This goes to you, buddy. This one is all for you. Um adding movie to man. I can't even that is like a mouthful. Adding to watch later. There you go. There you go. That I can do. That I can get by. God, it feels so gross. It feels so terribly gross. But that's okay. That's okay. 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 And then we're watch latering. I hate it every time I have to write it. Okay. Okay. Did I really put adding to watch later? Okay, no. You fooled me. You almost got me, Ethan. You almost got me. Oh man. I'm curious. Are you planning on monetizing MovieOtter, or not, am I now? I'm not monetizing it right now, but that is something I would love to do in the future. So, for instance, if we just go to our homepage, right? Ooh, somebody recommended me a movie. If we go to our homepage and we just scroll down and see some of the things that we're trying to add, right? Or some of the things that I want to add to MovieOtter. Some of the stuff will probably end up being behind a pro membership paywall kind of thing. Not all of it by any means, right? Like I still want. I honestly, I was listening to. I had to. This is a very long-winded way of me trying to explain this, and I'm sorry if that's just who I am. So I was listening to this podcast about indie hackers. It's a great podcast. Google it. Check out the website. It's really, really good. In the interview, it was an interview with Scott from Scott's Cheap Flights. If you've heard of that site or if you're on the newsletter, you already know about it. Either way, that's another thing you should definitely Google if you are at all interested in traveling in the future, right? Sure, maybe now with quarantining and COVID and everything like that, not many people are traveling, but sometimes maybe you have to. Sometimes you want to be in the know about deals in case you want to fly home for the holidays or something like that, right? Some travel is just going to be inevitable. That might be something to look out for. And anyways, so this is a guy who started this company on a newsletter that he made. Also, where's my music? There we go. He started a company based on this newsletter that he started for sending out deals to flights that he found. He's grown it, right? So it's a really big company now. They make tons of money. Even now, during quarantine and COVID and stuff, they still are financially doing very, very well for a travel company of all things. And one of the things that he does that I found very, very interesting is that he doesn't, with their product, they don't basically what they do is what they do. So what they do is they find deals for flights and they send them to their customers, right? But the thing that they do that differentiates the kind of like free free sign up tiers and then the paid tiers is just how nitty gritty you can get into things, and how, you know, if you're like, okay, I want to know deals that are coming out of this airport, or I want to know every deal that you guys come across and stuff like that. And so they made their tiers where anyone can kind of sign up and get deals, right? That is going to be a universal thing that they'll always provide folks. But if you want to be more in the know, if you want the deals as soon as we find them and we forward them to you and stuff like that, then you can pay and become a part of like the pro member deals. And I really like that idea. One, because I always want people to feel that there's use in MovieOtter, right? I always want people to come here, and whether you pay or not, you can come here, you can use it, you can benefit from it, you get something out of it. But I also would love to monetize it, right? Like, it would be great if I could have something like MovieOtter to help just kind of me financially, to like live off of, or whatever it may be. And so what I think I'm gonna do is take a similar approach where the vast majority of these features, even here on this home screen, right, will probably be free. But some of the stuff that, for instance, would cost me money in doing like number crunchy stuff, so like getting a breakdown of your viewing habits, that's something that would probably be behind like a pro membership tier wall, right? If you want to see in the lifetime of your account and all the movies you've logged, how many Sylvester Stallone movies have you watched, right? Either new, unique, or repeated. Like, oh man, maybe you really love Rocky, right? Hey, in the last... Oh, what is it? There's like the whole Subway joke. Somebody was like, hey, somebody watched Shrek 2 like 72 times. We just want to know if you're okay. That was like something somebody put Spotify, somebody, right? If you want like just, you know, nitty gritty statistical breakdowns of your viewing habits, that is something that would cost me money in just crunching that data and like all those reads and writes and things. And so that would be something put behind a pro member tier wall. A lot of these other things I think would be free, right? Being able to join communities, that'll be free. Being able to have watch parties, I'm thinking maybe I'll limit it to some degree. If you're on like a free tier, you could do, I don't know, like 3 or 5, or maybe you just can't create them unless you're in a pro tier. Something, right? Like there's tons of different things that we could do. To answer your question, that was a very long-winded way of answering your question. Yes. Currently, I do not monetize MovieOtter. It's something free. I just want people using it and giving me feedback, letting me know what I can do to make it better. But in the future, I do want and plan on monetizing it in some way. I'm not somebody who's a big fan of the ads, right? So I don't know if I'll go the ads route, but I mean, never say never, but I really don't want to. So I don't want to. If I can do something else instead, I will. But yes, all that to say, it is possible. It is possible. Okay, now we're here. Star Wars. If we search Star Wars, right? This movie, I haven't favorited it. I haven't added to my watch later, but I want to. Let's pick another movie that I know for sure is not in this database. Guys, give me a movie. Give me a movie. Ooh, iPhone fan, what's up, dude? How is everyone's night? I think we're all pretty good. Yes. Also, Ethan, yeah, dude. Indie Hackers is such a great, lovely community. I'm a few episodes behind in I'm sure you listen to the podcast, and if you know it. If you know of the community, and hopefully you can attest, it's a fantastic podcast. Anyone who's looking to make something, anyone who's looking to build a thing, supplement their income with some tech or business or anything, right? It is definitely something that people should look into. And yeah, it's a very huge motivator. Pretty much anytime I'm feeling down about something I'm working on, or you know, a project idea I have or anything like that, I go to Indie Hackers and just see some of the stuff that people are making, and it's like, yeah, okay, I can you know what, maybe I will take my shot at doing some of this. Let's search Mulan. Mulan 2. Okay, I know I never clicked on that. All right. but maybe I want to watch it later. So I come in here. Let's clear this just so we can get clean and clear things here. I click Mulan 2. Let's see what happens when I click add to watch later. Okay, I gotta sign in. That's okay, of course. Come here, we sign in. Now we're signed in. I don't know why it's, I mean, it doesn't matter. Okay, sign in. We're adding to watch later. Now the real question is, does it work? Because right now it's like importing and doing all that stuff. Remove from watch later. Oh wait, no, it did it. It movie bookmarked. Okay, and then I can remove it, and then I can add it, and I can remove it, and I can add it. If I do a refresh of the page, what should happen is when I click this, it still shows that it's in our watch later. That's good. That is very good. That is very, very, very good. 1 second. Sorry for that, guys. Game Honestest came in, asking me if I had headphones. She's going into the virtual reality, guys. She's going in. She's venturing. I have no idea if she'll ever come back. This might be the last time I ever seen her. But holy crap, guys, look at that. We got this working. We can unfavorite. We can favorite. John Mulaney. Why is John? Oh, because it starts with Mulan. Okay. Also, hold on. John Mulaney does have movies, and I want to watch all of these. Thank you. But let's say like, okay, cool. I want to watch this one later. We click it. It's adding to watch later. Adding to watch later. Adding to watch later. Why is this not disabled? That should be disabled. Okay, that's why. Disabled if we're favoriting. We're adding to watch later. Okay, that worked. Let's do this one, and now this should be disabled. Okay, cool. I can also add it to a favorites, which it was already imported from this, so that took a lot less time. That's cool. Okay, guys, this is really, really cool. I'm very surprised that this is working so easily. John Mulaney is bae. Oh yeah. Is this a React Native app? Yes. No, wait, no, not React Native. Sorry, hold on. I got ahead of myself. No, it's not React Native. It's just Web React. I know. Synecdoche. Oh, damn it. Synecdoche. Crap. Wait, no, I'm gonna get it. It's Synecdoche.
Synecdoche.
Yeah, Synecdoche. I said it right one of those times eventually. I know. Nested ternaries is never great, right? Did I have a stroke there? Yeah, felt like it, right? Yeah, no, it's never great. One day, again, all of this will be refactored for version 1.2 before we open source all this stuff. But for now, we have this working here in these search results, which is probably the search results that I care about. Maybe I'll eventually add the like recommending and stuff like that. But even that can get very, very complicated. Logging a movie? Man, actually logging a movie probably needs to be on here. But I think that is something I'll do off stream because it is now 9:30 and it is time to hydrate or dihydrate. 1 second. That's some good water. But now that we're hydrated, it is time to actually move on to our cooldown. So for those, actually, hold on. I got this. I added this bad boy so that I don't have to do my very long-winded spiel, but I'll do it anyways because I need to get used to it. So just so that I don't go from programming to bed and then I'm just sitting there thinking about all the bugs and code that I wrote, I try to do something fun at the end of streams during the last like 20-30 minutes or so. Lately we've been playing Rocket League to kind of take our mind away from coding and programming and just do something fun and mindless. You long-winded? I know, right? Who long-winded? That's not a characteristic of me. So what we're gonna do is actually switch the stream over to just probably some Rocket League. Cerebral, if you're down, you can join in. If any of you guys are down, let me know. We'll get you added on Steam. We'll play Rocket League for a little bit, and then we'll end the stream fully. But if you only came here for dev work, if you only came here to see React and TypeScript and Firebase and all the other cool stuff that we're doing with MovieOtter, unfortunately, this is the end of that. We did all the cool work. You missed it. Hopefully we can catch you next time though. I do stream. Going forward, I promise I'm gonna be back to my normal schedule of streaming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday starting at 8 p.m. Pacific. We had a couple cool people stop by today, a couple new followers, which is always great. Happy to have new people join the crew. Nice, Ethan, dude, sleep well. Hopefully you get some good dreaming going. I don't know, that felt wrong saying. I'm sorry. But see ya. Glad you were able to stop by. All right, Cerebral's down for some Rocket League, so let's do it to it. But first, let me commit these changes. Definitely don't want these to get lost in the ether. Okay, movie poster changes. Only 2 things have to change there. That's pretty cool. And the watch later stuff. Only 2 things. We just had to basically make that function. Man. Feet. Let's see. Users can probably be shorter, huh? Feet. Add movie to watch later from search results. That's basically still just as long. It's okay. It is okay. And I think after stream, like I said, I'm gonna add one more to just log a movie as watched. I think it's really convenient to, not need to load a movie just to log it as watched, especially for people who are new and coming to it and everything like that, right? Like if you're just jumping in, it should probably be pretty easy to log a movie that you've watched before, like, yeah. Emperor's New Groove, right? It's Emperor. There we go. No, Emperor. How do I spell Emperor? Emperor's New Groove. This is definitely a movie that is imported, and it's a favorite. Oh, maybe it's not imported. Well, it's gonna be imported now. Star Wars. That's a movie that's imported. Star Wars. This movie's imported. Add it to watch later. It's just gonna work. Cool. All that stuff is good. Got a scrum. Synecdoche. Thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate you stopping by. You gotta finish your workday. Holy crap. Well, yes, go do that. That's kind of important. Please don't tell people to dream. Do you ever dream a dream where you dream? Yes, I know. Okay, let's get some Rocket League going. We got our stuff saved. Did we push that commit? We did push it. Everything is backed up in the cloud. The solar flare will not destroy my hard work. All right, let's get things changing over to Rocket League.